V is equal to f lambda. V means speed, the unit has to be in meter per second. F means frequency, the unit has to be in hertz. And lambda means wavelength, the unit has to be in meters. We will do an example. We know that the velocity is 10 meter per second, frequency is 10 kilohertz, and what is the lambda? Careful, you just can't put these parameters into this equation because first you have to check whether the units are in these units or not. The velocity should be in meter per second, that's okay. But the frequency, it should be in hertz, but this is in kilohertz. So we have to break it down. We should say that the frequency 10 into kilo. Kilo means into 1000, right? So into 1000, thus the frequency is 10,000 hertz. See, now I've converted into hertz, and now I can input this in the equation. Okay, so V is equal to F lambda. V is 10, F is 10,000, and that's all lambda. So lambda is 1 by 1000 meters. That's your answer.